What's up XRP holders, guys? It is time for a new update video. I need to show you one chart that speaks a very simple, very clear language into what we should expect price wise from XRP here in the remainder of the bull run. And guys, for some of you this might come as, I would say, as a surprise, and for some of you it might not come as a surprise. And if you're wondering why you're sitting like this, it's because the sun is behind me, guys. If I look into the sun, I have to wear sunglasses, and I don't want to make a video with sunglasses today, so that's why I'm sitting like this. But let's get straight into it. First of all, guys, like the video. Can we get this one back above 1,000 likes? That would be appreciated, and let's get into it. I'm right here on the quarterly chart for XRP, so every candlestick represents 3 months, and I think this is an important time frame to look at, because if you zoom out, you get a very clear understanding of the current trend. Now, if we look at the price action since 2013, we can see clear higher highs with higher lows for XRP. And as of right now, I'm still in favor of much more upside in this bull run. I don't think that this bull run is over. I don't think that $5 will be the ceiling for XRP. People are calling for $5 to be the end of the bull run, but guys, I don't think so, and let me show you why. What you can see is that the current candle here is consolidating above the previous all-time high from 2018 or 2017. It was literally the last month of 2017, but we are currently closing candles at the previous all-time high, which is actually a very bullish signal. You can see that XRP is still holding the neckline of this potential double bottom breakout, which is right now going on. So if you would ask me, this is definitely not the moment to flip bearish or to be fearful. This is the time of opportunity. Retail is still not here. Most retail got shaken out of the market in December and January of this year, so guys, there is no reason to be fearful. What you also can see is that in the bull run from 2017, the moment XRP broke the prior all-time high with this quarterly candle, that was the time price literally exploded to the upside. It did a lot of multipliers back then, and I think something similar could happen this time around. So let me share the price targets with you, and don't worry guys, I'm going to talk about the short term as well, but let me first of all share my actual price targets here with you. And to come up with the price target of this double bottom formation, I have to draw this trend line to the bottom of this correction of this double bottom and to the neckline. And if we project this trend line to the current breakout point for XRP, then we can see that the target is somewhere, I would say, in the vicinity of $30, and that is a target that I spoke about a lot here on the channel. That is actually my bull run price prediction for XRP. Is it set in stone? Of course not, guys. I can't predict the future. This is all a game of probabilities, like anything in life is, but it definitely gives us some kind of I would say pathway or estimate in how high the XRP price could go in the remainder here of the bull run. And to give you guys some perspective from our current position, if we go to that target, let's say $36 or so, that would be almost a 13x on your money. If we go to $30, then we're talking about more than a 10x here in terms of the gains. Now, is there some confluence at these price targets? Well, guys, if we use the trend-based FIB extension tool, and if we start at the bear market low from 2020 to the bull run high from 2021, and if we project this to the bear market low point of April 2022 for XRP, what you can see here is that the 1.618 Fibonacci extension on the log chart is lining up almost perfectly with this double bottom price target, and that is around $29 to $30 for XRP. What is also visible, there is a price target here. The 1-to-1 ratio is around $5, so there will be resistance at $5. I can almost guarantee you that we also have somewhere around $15 for XRP. There also could be resistance over there, but overall the 1.618 is around $30, and yeah, I definitely believe that there is some confluence there, and that could happen for XRP in the bull run. So yeah, from a technical point of view, if you zoom out, there is no reason to be bearish. XRP still looks extremely bullish. And guys, before I show you the short-term price action and some other stuff that I want to discuss with you that are definitely important right now, as many of you already know, I've recently launched a brand new trade signal group in collaboration with the Phoenix exchange, because I truly believe the next few months could be life-changing in crypto, and this is the time to be active, to be focused, and to be ready to maximize from all the opportunities out there. Now, this group is 100% for free to join, and inside this group I share my personal day trades, scalp trade setups, and the exact strategy that I use, so that you can follow along and that you can copy it directly. There's also a community chat where you can talk to me or connect with the other serious members. So if you want to join, just click the first link in the video description and you will get directed to my free Signal group. Also guys, if you're looking for an exchange to trade on or to buy your altcoins on, I would definitely recommend Phoenix. The link is also down below in the video description. Huge welcome bonuses for my community exclusively, low trading fees if you use my link. And also keep in mind that Phoenix is an A-book exchange, which puts them in the same category as, for example, Bybit or Coinbase. So yeah, definitely check it out if you're interested. Now let's talk about the short-term price action for XRP here on the 3 daily time frame. We still have this bull flag breakout that is right now active and going on for XRP. So we had this flag pull since the end of October, then we had a correction or consolidation, and XRP is right now breaking the trend line here. And yeah, this looks like a larger bull flag. The technical price target of this formation, I would say for the midterm, is around $11.28, which is still a move upwards of 342% from the current position. So guys, I believe that the downside potential from this point onwards is fairly limited, but the upside reward is massive, and that's why I'm currently opening up massive swing trade positions, which I'm literally sharing on a daily basis in my trade group. So check it out if you're interested in that. But yeah, I think the opportunity is definitely here for XRP. We have this breakout going on. First major resistance could be expected around the prior high from January at $3.40. Then we have the vicinity of $5, eventually $11, and maybe later on in the year or later on in the cycle, I think XRP could go as high as I said, around that $30 area. But yeah, definitely have some kind of an exit strategy or take profit plan. You want to lock in your profits on the way up. That is always the best strategy going forward. Now, also guys, tomorrow we have the Federal Reserve Chair Powell to speak at a policy conference in Washington. Now any dovish hint could boost crypto and XRP. So yeah, this could definitely trigger a lot of volatility. We also do know that he is, I would say, slightly under pressure as the true inflation hits 1.68%, as you can see over here, and that is below the Fed's target. And this, if we see rate cuts, that would of course be very bullish for XRP and risk on assets. We also know that a lot of central banks around the world, for example, the European Central Bank, they already started with rate cuts, and I do believe that the Federal Reserve could be next. There's also a lot of pressure going on from the US president. He also said today that the Fed must lower rates. So yeah, that would be interesting to see, and that could be the next major catalyst here for the markets to go higher. Now the president also said a few other things today. He also said, I'm a big crypto fan. This of course also a very bullish statement, and he also declared the United States the crypto capital of the world. So yeah, a lot of bullish words here from the president. We have a very pro-crypto administration, and I believe that this is the best time to be invested in the crypto market. And lastly guys, before I forget it, if you're not already following me over on my Instagram page, which I reactivated, then definitely make sure to do so. The official link is down below in the video description. I'm posting XRP crypto markets updates over there, Q&A sessions, my personal lifestyle. If you're interested in all of these things, check it out. The link is down below. That was it guys for today's XRP analysis. If this was helpful to you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I think for now, patience is the name of the game. The next few months are going to be insane in crypto. You want to be in crypto right now. You want to hold strong, guys. If you want to join my free trade group, check out the link down below in the description. I want to thank you all for watching, for the amazing support, and I see you very soon with an XRP update. Bye bye.